Welcome to this video where we're going to explore one of the most fundamental concepts in iOS app development, using Swift, how to divide numbers using UITextField. Whether you're building a simple calculator or a complex financial application, understanding how to work with text fields and perform mathematical operations is crucial. In this video, we'll break down the process into manageable chunks, providing a clear explanation of each step involved. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in your ability to divide numbers using UITextField in Swift. So let's dive straight into it. To divide numbers using UITextField in Swift, we first need to understand how text fields work. UITextField is essentially a box where users can input text. In our case, we want the user to enter two numbers that we'll then use to perform division. To get started, you'll need to create two UITextFields in your view controller, one for each number. You can do this either programmatically or using storyboards. For simplicity, let's assume you've already set up your text fields and have them connected to your view controller as outlets. Next, we need to ensure that the user enters only numbers into these text fields. This is where a special property of UITextField comes in handy, the keyboard type property. By setting this property to decimal pad, we restrict the keyboard to only allow numeric input, which is perfect for our needs. Now let's move on to the actual division part. To perform the division, you'll need to convert the text entered into the UITextFields into numbers, specifically float or double. This is where the text property of UITextField comes in handy. You can access the text the user has typed in and then use a method like float text to convert it into a floating point number. However, before performing any mathematical operations, always check if the second number, the divisor, is not 0. This is crucial because dividing by 0 is undefined mathematically and will crash your app. A simple if statement can handle this condition elegantly. Finally, once you have both numbers validated and converted into floats or doubles, you can perform the division. The result can then be displayed to the user in a label, for example. So, what are the key points to take away from this tutorial? 1. Create two UITextFields for users to input the dividend and divisor. 2. Restrict the keyboard to only allow numeric input using keyboard type. 3. Convert text from UITextFields into numbers, float or double, before performing division. 4. Always check if the divisor is not 0 before dividing. 5. Perform the division and display the result to the user. That's it for today's video on how to divide using UITextField in Swift. We've walked through each step of the process, from setting up your text fields to displaying the final result. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any point, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. If this tutorial has helped you improve your iOS development skills, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support is what keeps us creating tutorials that aim to make app development accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.